Hello, this is the unboxing and first impression video on the Samsung A31. Let's get right onto it. So what are the specs? First, unboxing knife. First thing you get to see is Samsung logo. What's inside the box? Have a TPU case, a regular TPU case. It's a quick start guide. Don't think we'll be needing this. Warranty card. What's this? And my number. Now, the main thing. This is the phone. Beautiful. Keep it aside. Earpiece, a regular earpiece. This one EKG earpiece. This is just a regular earpiece. Yeah, Samsung charger. Because it's an adaptive fast charger. It's 15 watts. It's okay. A Type-C cable. That's nice. And SIM injector pin. So now let's get to see the phone. How many cameras? 1, 2, 3, 4. How do you open this? Voila! See that shine? What they call the color again? Prism black. Prism black. See the shine? See the shine? Voila. Give it a small smush. Yeah, here goes the shine. I will turn on the phone. Yeah, Samsung Galaxy A31, secured by Knox, powered by Android. See it for yourself. As the phone is turning on, let's go around and talk about phone. We have a microphone, concealer microphone at the top, volume keys, volume rocker keys, power button, have only one firing speaker, a microphone, a Type-C port. See that? A headphone jack. At the back, we have 3 cameras. 1, 2, 3, 4. I think this should be the main camera. I'm not sure which is the main camera. The other side, you have the SIM injection pin. Okay, the phone is on. Let's go quick in setting it up. English, United Kingdom. The last phone I used, that was Humidigi A7 Pro, the review. It was English Nigeria. I was so surprised. But let's see. Let's keep going. Insert SIM to put access. I haven't inserted the SIM card yet, of course. I just got the phone. Bam, 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 bam. Next. Next. Skip. Just want to see the phone. Don't copy. Just a second. Next. As you can see, the bezels of the phone, very slim, very slim. This is a nice feeling phone on your hand. If you know what you know what it means. A nice feeling phone. Except face recognition, fingerprints, pattern, pin, password. Let's skip this for now. Skip anyway. Next, we have sign into Samsung. For now, we skip this also. Just want to see the phone. Skip. Finish. Yeah, this is a nice look. Samsung Galaxy A31, fresh out of the box. This is nice. About the phone, Samsung Galaxy A31 model, serial number, battery information. It's a 5000 mAh battery. Yeah. Okay. Has 128 gig internal storage. What else? Double 4G, dual SIM cards, 5000 mAh battery. I don't even know how they managed to fit in a 5000 mAh battery in this slim phone. I can tell you one thing about this phone. It feels nice in the hand. Feels nice in the hand. Let's go to cameras. Not bad. All in all, I will rate this phone a major go. 1 to 100. My first impression on this video, on this phone, is going to be a major go. All in all, I will give this phone a major go. It's worth buying for 100,000 naira. Camera, everything is perfect. Battery is okay. Has no flaws. Slim bezels, knife in your hands, and all. So I see Samsung make phones. They make phones. With this, you can easily replace your flagship. Okay. So is this phone worth buying? Totally. Get your hands on it. It's a nice one. So this will be the end of the video. I may do a review and a comparison video later on. But yeah, peace out.